Very thin coat of liquid clear. Well, I'm going to start with some Indian yellow today. Let's get a bit of crimson on the board as well. We're going to go around here. We're going to come right down to here. Just bring that all the way over that colour. I'm going to go into that now. Just put this around. There we go. Let's just pull that alizarin crimson just a tiny bit into there. And go with some phthalo green. There we go, let's go with some green over here in this corner. Just pull that through a little bit. Right, we're gonna have some white on this. This will start coming alive now. We'll end up doing some patterns, I think. We'll come in like this. Do something like this. Let's blend these off. Just make a little sky. Very gently, going in all them colours. I'm sort of staying in the yellow to begin with, and then we can just go into the crimson very lightly. Just create a little sort of sky here. Go over here. Now we're going to go into that sort of green colour in a moment. Maybe they could be sort of, I don't know, just some different things going on over here. This is some kind of different sort of sky going, maybe it's coming from behind it. Just some streaks of colour. I'm going to bring some of these, just just in front of that. And then we're going to blend them out. There we go, bringing that up. Just a little bit down in front of this. Let's just take these dark colours, the green, the black, the crimson, just make a little dark colour here. Let's have one that goes right just here, just picking up that dark and them colours underneath. Do another little peak there. Look at that, some greenish sort of back colour on the mountains there. Different, isn't it? Just playing about with some colour. We're going to take some of this yellow, put that in there. Some of this yellow, touch of the alizarin crimson. So it's like a yellow with some streaks of crimson in as well. Let's just see what this looks like. We can put some that come down here. There we go, look at that. There we go, we can have that coming down towards us a little bit there. Yeah, please go and visit the website, people. I've got so many paintings up there for sale. There we go. Bring this mountain down here. Quite like them sort of crevices in there and stuff. We can bring this one around a little bit. Have that bright there on that side. Do a bit more brighter there. Have that going off there somewhere like that. Let's just put a little bit in there like that, on this side, and just see what it gives us. Let's drag this through that green. We need a light sort of, let's do some streaks of dark in there as well. Look, see, just streak that through. With bits of black in, bits of that colour. Just put this colour on. This is turning out quite nice. And drag that bit down. Just bring all that colour down. Where that comes, the angles are important as well. That little bit of shadow going through there. Blend them together. Little shadow going all the way down there. Let's just pull some of this down because that'll sort of mist that out there. I'm going to go into some titanium white here. I'm just going to do like reflections. So we can have, I don't know, let's say we'll come down here. It'll pick up all these lovely, beautiful colours. I'm going to start around here. There we go. We're going to pull this colour down. Look at them beautiful colours coming through. Amazing. Okay, we're going to go across here. This is where it's all going to change. Keep your eyes on that. Okay, that's pretty cool. Just some black and some green together. We're going to lay out some land, so come on, let's do this. So we can have some coming across here. Just a little bit of land. Lives here. Doesn't matter if you get any on there. And then maybe it comes round somewhere like this. And we can just pop in a few little trees that live there. Maybe there's one there. Use the corner of the fan brush and just tap them little trees out. There we go. Just pull that down there. Do check out my other videos and don't forget to follow me on YouTube, Instagram and Facebook. Link in the bio underneath my profile picture. If you're watching on YouTube, links in pinned comment and description. And please do go and check out the website right here. Prints available and originals. I suppose we could do a little hint of the mountain there, so we could just put a little bit of colour in here. Just a little peak. It's in there, look. Basically, we're going to pull this reflection down. These are just hints of reflection, basically. We've got the colours there. Okay, and we're just going to go across there. Just the indication of a little water line over there. Don't want it too light, too dark. No, just put a little water line coming down there. Comes out here. We can sort of hide all this bit really. Now it sort of come around as a curve. Around here it gets towards us, where it does now, there it is. The water flows through this way, look. There we go. Things going on, mixing with that paint underneath. It's all sorts of colour mixing. Let's make a big tree that sits over here and covers a lot of this bit up here. You can come down here and just put a little tree in there. We're going to put some colours on top of this obviously, but we're going to have a big tree that lives here. Yeah, this is just planning out the painting now really. Just tap the little brush on, give yourself a line. We'll just put a little tree there. Who's relaxed? Here it comes. Fill all that up. So I'm just going to use some liquid white, just a few, just some little things there. We can just put some here. See, these will just be poking through. Just going to put these sort of a little bit of a thing there. I'm going to push up here. These are going to eventually be sort of reflections there. A little bit of green here. Take this yellow, a little bit of green. Just make up some colours. Let's just see what this looks like. Just some little tree things here. Just some little bushes. I'll keep it quite dark over there. Painting 311, guys.